Hello everyone. Today, I am going to talk about what I like and dislike about my daily life. This topic is useful for English speaking practice because it helps us express opinions, habits, and feelings in a clear way. I will speak honestly and in simple language so that this becomes good practice for fluency. Now, let me begin. There are several things that I like about my daily life. First of all, I like having a routine. A fixed routine helps me stay organized and reduces stress. When I know what I need to do each day, I feel more focused and productive. I like the quiet time I get in the morning. Mornings give me mental clarity and energy. During this time, I can think, plan my day, and prepare myself mentally. This peaceful start helps me stay calm throughout the day. Another thing I like is the sense of progress. Even small achievements like completing a task or learning something new, me satisfaction. Daily effort may feel slow, but it builds discipline over time. This makes my daily life meaningful. I also like the independence in my daily life. Making my own decisions and managing my responsibilities helps me grow. It teaches me time management, patience, and self-control. At the same time, there are some things I dislike about my daily life. One of the main problems is repetition. Doing the same tasks every day can sometimes feel boring and exhausting. It can reduce motivation if there is no variation. I also dislike time pressure. Sometimes there are too many tasks and too little time. This creates stress and mental fatigue. When I rush through things, I cannot give my best effort. Another thing I dislike is lack of balance. Some days are too busy, while others feel unproductive. Maintaining balance between work, rest, and personal time is not always easy. This imbalance affects both energy and mood. I also dislike distractions in daily life. Mobile phones, social media, and unnecessary noise reduce focus. These distractions waste time and break concentration. Instead of complaining, I try to improve my daily life gradually. I make small changes in my routine to avoid boredom. I take short breaks, set realistic goals, and reduce unnecessary activities. I also remind myself that no daily life is perfect. Improvement comes through awareness and consistency, not sudden changes. Accepting imperfections helps reduce frustration. So, this is what I like and dislike about my daily life. Daily life is not always exciting, but it shapes who we become. This topic is excellent for English speaking practice because it reflects real thoughts and experiences. Practice speaking honestly and clearly. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next practice session.